Hey kiddos, Miss B here. I am just going to show you a quick tutorial on how to get to my website and find the area in which your links are to help you pick your topic for your research project. So, get to my class website, which is missbartholomew.weebly.com. We've been using it all year, so hopefully you can locate it pretty easily. Once you get to the website, friends, take a look at the pages up on top. You'll want to click the area that says, you guessed it, Social Studies Research. Once you're here, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. You will see 4 different cultures that you have the opportunity to do a little research before you come to class. What I want you to do is to take a look at some of these links that I have with the Eastern Woodlands, the Plains, the Southwest Desert, and the Northwest Territory. It's your job when you come to class to figure out which group you want to dive into deeper for your intense research project. We were only given a brief overview of these cultures, and now it's time to learn a little bit more about them. I want to see what you guys are interested in. So, take a couple minutes, look at these links that I have for you. Each of these gray circular buttons are things you can click on to help you make your decision on which culture that you want to study for our research project. All right, friends, looking forward to see which ones that you pick and can't wait to get started on this project with you.